Welcome everybody to the delicious Harvey Norman Produce Awards at Chiswick for 2022. We're here and all of the judges and the governing board are arriving, and we're having a lot of shots and fun on the media wall, and a lot of the producers and the award winners are arriving now. So it's going to be an amazing night, and stay tuned because we can't wait for you to see the winners and the finalists and hear their stories.
I'm excited that there's people who are coming into the food industry who are bringing curiosity and innovation.
What inspires me every day is learning Indigenous produce. I learn something new every week, a new flavour that hasn't been seen in the Western world.
I love that we grow delicious food that is good for you and good for the planet.
The awards are so important because it recognises the producers and the farmers. They are the backbone of what we do.